This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both phones, keeping them close so signals stay strong. Open settings on Android and iPhone to confirm visibility. On Android, grant location and contact permissions so discovery works. Next, install the relevant app, move to iOS for full data move or a file transfer app for selective sharing, and sign in if required. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and disable battery savers so the connection won't drop during the next steps. Start the transfer. If using Move to iOS, launch it on the iPhone during setup or in Apps and Data, get the numeric code, then enter it on Android to create a temporary hotspot and begin copying. For manual sharing, pair the phones over Bluetooth, then switch to Wi-Fi Direct or nearby share-compatible apps on Android to push photos or files, accept incoming on iPhone and allow the app to save. Throughout, watch progress bars and confirm permissions to ensure each data type moves correctly. Complete the process by checking the iPhone for transferred contacts, photos, and calendar entries. Open affected apps to confirm data integrity. If the transfer stalls or items are missing, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, restart both phones, then rerun the transfer for the remaining files. As a key troubleshooting tip, try sending smaller batches or use a computer as an intermediary backup. Also ensure both OS versions are updated, because mismatched software often breaks pairing and transfer routines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.